Hi, Sean.
Hi, Dad.
Oh boy.
Seems like he doesn't really want to talk. Heavy rain. It's been the same for weeks. I'm late. Again.
Hey, buddy. I don't think he likes me very much. Oh well. You enjoy that, kid. I gotta go see what I'm supposed to do with you and stuff. You get a snack at 4:30, homework at 6, you get dinner at 7, then you go to bed 8. We could do that. Oh man. Huh?
Time for a snack. Maybe Sean is hungry.
Alright, Sean, let me make you some grub. Oh, sorry. Perfect. Still got some orange juice left. Here. Shake it up for me. This is for Sean. I guess I just wanted some. That's fine. Maybe I should ask him. Hey, Sean? You, hungry?
It's time for your snack. Are you hungry?
I guess, a little.
Let's see what we can find in the kitchen.
Okay. Maybe I can get you some ramen. That's what I had as a kid. Oh, crap. Ah, perfect. Wait, maybe I can get more. Okay. Maybe I should just settle for the orange. Or I guess it's more of a tangerine, because it's kind of tiny. Kid, I really hope you like tangerines. How the hell did you do that, you acrobat? Huh?
Here, Sean. Here's your snack.
Thanks, Dad.
You're eating the skin? Alright, I raised a freak. Alright, so what was the next on the schedule here? I think it was homework? Yeah,
It's still early. We'll see about the homework later.
yeah. Okay, time goes by pretty fast. I'll just have a little rest. Stare at my boy. Feel a little uncomfortable in the process. And get back up. Alright, well done. So, how was school?
How are things at school? Is your teacher nice?
Everything's fine, Dad.
Alright, you're a little bit of a prick nowadays. I get it. That's fine. Don't even pick up after yourself. This is awkward.
Sean, do you want to do your homework now?
Please, Dad, let me watch TV a little while longer. We'll do it later, okay?
Alright, looks like a good show.
Alright, I'll come back a little later.
Bye. I mean, that does look like a pretty good show. It'll probably be over soon. It's been going on for quite a while, though.
Grease has Sean this weekend. Seems like he can't wait to get back to his mother.
That explains the, place here. Well, damn, son. Oh, God, why do you keep doing this to me, pal? Sean, I want you to be careful. There's a murder on the loose. Oh, hey. I didn't mean to come in here. I don't want to go out back. But, goddamn, you are so wonky sometimes, I swear. Crap, it's already getting this late? Alright, kid, you really gotta get your homework done. Actually, wait, hold on. What time? It said 6, right? For his homework? Yeah, okay. You do your homework in about 10 minutes. That show better be over by then, buddy. Why do you keep switching positions? That'll do it. Don't mind me, I'll just be over here. Alright, I'm watching that clock like a hawk, don't worry. Bless you, by the way. Almost time. Get ready, kid. It's coming. You better get the pen and paper at the hand. Oh, you're gonna love this. Go time. Sean? Homework.
Sean, do you want to do your homework now?
Please, Dad, let me watch TV a little while longer. We'll do it later, okay?
No!
Alright, I'll come back a little later.
Wait, that wasn't right. Sean! Oh yeah, you did sneeze, didn't you?
You've got a cold coming on. I'm gonna see if I can find some medicine for you.
Oh, awkward.
Sean, do you want to do your homework now?
Please, Dad, let me watch TV a little while longer. We'll do it later, okay?
I refuse these shenanigans, man.
I think we should just get right to it. Then it's done and out of the way. Now, get your bag and get set up in the kitchen. I'll help you.
Good boy. Alright, let me see if I got anything for a cold. Turn on the light in here. It's too dark. Oh, I got a little baby clock. It's cute. Where would I store medicine? That's a... Okay. Oh, there. That's not for healing. That's for cuddling. Alright, kid, don't worry. I'll go upstairs, I guess. I'm sure I got a bathroom up there that's probably got some kind of medicine. And you're gonna love it. And I swear to God, if I come back down there and you're not doing your homework... Oh, so help me. Oh, your teepee's in here. That's good. Oh, man. Don't want people looking in here. Actually, what is this on the table? Oh. Rather you not draw depictions of that. Alright.
Dad, I'm finished. Can I go watch TV?
Yeah, I'm coming. I'm sorry. I'm coming. I'm coming. I swear I'm coming. Please don't be upset. I'm almost here. I'm here. Hey. Go watch TV, buddy.
Let me have a look. Pretty good. Looks like you're done. Off you go.
Alright, you enjoy that show. Good. I still gotta find you actual stuff. Maybe orange juice, actually. That could work. I can't open my fridge anymore. Okay. Well, I'm the worst fucking parent, I swear. I can't even find my own medicine in my house. Actually, what about this door here? I keep ignoring it. This is the bathroom. Wow, I'm dumb. There's no medicine cabinet in this bathroom. Honestly, that bathroom just looked like a public bathroom at that point. Oh shit, what time is it? It might be time for din-din. Crap, what time is it? Oh shit, it is. Okay.
It's dinner time. I'd better make something for Sean.
Yeah. Well, Sean, I hope you're okay with, probably getting sick. Because your father needs to find food? Where the hell is food in my house? I can't even open my fridge. Awkward. Is there food out back? Is that one of those, like, other fridge? No, God, I just have music out back. Damn it. Why did I hire those people? Okay, crap, I really don't know. Oh, wait. I think I was like a pseudo pantry. No, it looks like just bleach and stuff. You don't eat that stuff. That's cleaning supplies. Oh my God, do I really not know how to cook? I can't find anywhere to cook.
Come to think of it, if he's not asking for anything, it must be because he's not hungry.
Oh, maybe I should ask.
Do you want me to get your dinner?
Oh yeah, I'm really hungry.
Oh,
Okay, I'll go see what I can find. I'll call you when it's ready.
I'm so stupid. Why didn't I do that earlier? Come on. We have a time limit here. Pizza. Yeah. And make this nice and quick. Alrighty. Plop it in the microwave and we'll be good to go. That's not the microwave. This is the microwave. Man, I'm the best father that got divorced. Oh God, that was a fast pizza. Man, my microwave is awesome. Holy shit. Don't mind me, I'm just cutting your pizza. It's too big. You can't have like giant slices, you choke. You only get one.
You can come now, Sean. Your meal is ready.
I'm coming!
Atta boy, go get that pizza just like your old man would. But it's yours, so I have to let you have it. I'm gonna turn this off. What the? This is the kind of shit kids are watching these days. I'm into it. I'm keeping it on. Hey, little buddy. Well, I couldn't find any medicine. Hope that's okay. Can I have some pizza too? Oh. Oh, I guess I'll juggle. Why not? Yeah. Show this kid I still got spunk. Don't you worry, buddy. Just because your brother's dead doesn't mean I don't have childlike spirit. I've dropped that one. Do this again. I'm gonna become a world famous juggler and I'm gonna earn my kids' respect again. Just you watch. Here I go, buddy. Oh. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make you proud. And you're gonna be like, damn, Dad. You really got it after all these years. Hope you love me again, son. Oh, you done with your pizza? Yeah? Cool. I'll be over here. Okay, I'm coming back. Kinda lonely, to be honest. I don't really know what's going on in my life. You wanna talk about stuff? Like, anything? Oh, I shouldn't sit in front of him, like, this is kind of awkward.
What do you say we play together for a while?
I'd rather watch TV.
Oh. Okay. Do you wanna go the fuck to bed then, kid?
Come on, Sean. It's time for bed.
I'm not tired yet. Can I stay up a little longer?
A little bit longer.
All right, we'll wait a little before going to bed. But don't say anything to your mother, okay?
I swear if you rat me out.
So, Do you want to talk a little?
Talk about what?
I don't know, about you, your friends, how things are going.
Nothing special.
Just like me as a kid. You hate life. Just want to watch TV and play video games. So what's the plot of this story, kid? Who's on the credits there? Wait, kid, this is the credits. Your show's done. This is a whole new episode. You're not invested in this yet. You can get the fuck to bed now, buddy. You're done now. Let's go.
Come on, Sean. It's time for bed.
I'm not tired yet. Can I stay up a little longer?
Nah, kid, this is my house.
All right, we'll wait a little before going to
Fuck!
bed.
I'm so bad at
Don't
being...
say anything to your mother, okay?
Man! This is just like how I am in real life. I'm just like, nah, man, I gotta discipline. I gotta set rules. And then I go against what I say because I'm just like, nah, man, he's so cute and being a little kid and stuff. Damn it. Alright, 2 more minutes. You put your feet on my fucking couch. Alright, you're going to bed.
Come on, Sean. It's time for bed.
I'm not tired yet. Can I stay up a little longer?
No.
Now, that's not very reasonable, is it? You have school tomorrow. You have to get some sleep.
All right, I'm going. Are you coming with me?
Go brush your teeth and put on your pajamas. I'll come up.
Have fun putting on your pajamas and brushing your teeth. I'm gonna turn this off, okay? God, this looks so fucking good, though. I wonder why I didn't want to go to sleep. I gotta save electricity, though. I'm really poor nowadays. I mean, I can somehow afford this 2-floor apartment, whatever the hell this is, but, you know, it's whatever. Alright. Wait, hang on a second. What are these right here on the table? I never actually looked. Oh, that's my mail. Beautiful mail. Oh.
When the parents came home from church, all their children were gone. They searched and called for them, they cried and begged, but it was all to no avail. The children have never been seen again.
Huh. Probably some weird Christian group. Whatever, man. These people are crazy. Wait. Did the TV come back on again? Why? Is my... Holy shit. I hear it. But it's... Does he have a TV on upstairs? Did he sneak one in? Does he have like one of those portable TVs? That little bastard, he's been holding out on me. Man. Alright, kid. I'm here. You in bed? Atta boy.
Good night, Sean.
My teddy! I haven't got my teddy, Dad.
You must have left it somewhere in the house. Do you have any idea where it could be?
No, Dad. Please, I can't sleep without him.
God damn it.
All right, I'll have a look around and see if I can find it, okay?
I swear I baby you too much, kid. You're what, 12 now? Probably just 10. Your brother Jason was 10. I'm going to assume you're probably the younger of the brothers. Either way. Goddamn son. He better like this. I got his teddy in a reasonable time. I'm keeping all the lights on, except this front one, which is the most important one at the bottom of the stairs. The phantom television's going, so he has some white noise to sleep to. The people in the backyard are playing really loud so I can hear them inside. He's gonna sleep like a goddamn prince.
Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome, sport.
Good night, Sean.
Night. Dad?
Yeah?
Why do you look so sad?
I think I just need some time to get back to the way things were.
You know, Dad, what happened to Jason wasn't your fault.
Good night, Sean.
Have a good night, kid. Oh, gotta be quiet. Don't want to wake him up. There we go. All right. Oh. What? Huh. Oh. Hey. Oh, I can't take a screenshot there. Parked right in front of the door. Is that normal? Huh. Oh, don't mind me. I'm just gonna walk on in here. Hello.
Lauren Winter. Ring any bells?
Nope, can't say it does.
Huh.
Been looking for weeks. Hope I hit pay dirt this time. Guess I better take the stairs.
I'm gonna take the stairs. Oh, first I gotta bribe you.
Oh, that Lauren Winter. 3rd floor, last door on the left at the end of the corridor.
Wow, you sold out one of your tenants for $5. You are a cheap person. Okay, well, that happened. So, 3rd floor end of the hall, huh? Well, actually, hold on a second. Can I poke in here really quick? Those people don't want to talk to me. That lady's busy with stuff. And how about this one? That guy's busy with stuff. Alright, you.
Lauren Winter?
Sorry, I only see clients by appointment.
Ah,
Wait.
It's $50. I don't kiss and I don't do any weird shit.
Fine by me.
Put your money on the table. You got exactly 10 minutes when the alarm rings. It's over, okay?
Okay. I am hiring a prostitute. I understand this is gonna get kind of weird. I'm into it.
You should take your clothes off. We ain't got all day.
Actually, I'm not a customer.
Shit, a cop. I should have known. What do you want, a freebie? Is that it?
My name is Scott Shelby. I'm a private detective. The families of the victims of the origami killer asked me to investigate the murders. I came here just to ask you some questions about Johnny.
I already told the police all I know and I have nothing to add. Leave me alone.
Oh, the compassion.
I understand, Lauren. I know what you're going through.
Oh yeah? You know what it feels like to find your own son's body on a wasteland? I'm sorry, I don't believe you have the slightest idea what I'm going through, Mr. Shelby.
There'll be other victims if we don't stop the killer. You have got to help me, Lauren. You may know something that can aid the investigation.
Help you? There's nothing you can do! My son's dead, do you hear me? He's dead!
What?
If we don't find the killer, there'll be other mothers who find their son's body on a deserted wasteland. But you're right. Why should you care? It's not your problem anymore, right?
What do you want to know?
Tell me about Johnny. What kind of kid was he?
Johnny was really a good boy. Sometimes he fought with other kids who called me you know. In his own way, I think he understood what was going on.
Tell me about Johnny's father.
A loser without a job who liked to beat me after a few drinks. He left the day Johnny disappeared. I ain't seen him since. Coward. Good thing he left. You want one?
No thanks, I quit.
That's brave.
Did Johnny live with you?
Yes. Of course, I made sure he never met any of my clients. I wanted to stop, you know. But we needed the money. I was trying to earn enough to get us out of here.
How did your son disappear?
He used to go play with the neighborhood kids after school. It was pouring down something awful that day. I'll never forget it. All his friends came home around 5. All except him. Time's up, Mr. Shelby. I hope you got what you wanted. Now get out of here.
I wanted to ask you about a potential suspect, but I mean, I guess I'll leave you alone now. I apologize if I made things weird.
I'll leave my card on the kitchen table. You never know.
Yeah, I should. Here, sorry. Well, I stumble around a bit. I drink. Oh my god. I swear this isn't on purpose.
Well, if you remember anything, the smallest detail, give me a call. No point in pushing it. She's not going to tell me anymore.
I mean, you're right.
I didn't learn squat. Well, it's worth a try.
She's a nice gal. Gone through a lot. It's a shame what happened, but... you know. Alright, well, guess I'll, Oh. Bucket? Do you have like one of those little poofer things that people have? Yeah, you do. There you go. Do a little poof. I don't know what these actually do, but I guess they help you. Good deal.
Lauren! Lauren, open up, baby. It's me.
Troy, what are you doing here? I already told you I don't want to see you anymore.
Sorry, Dal, but I really wanted to see ya.
Oh. I'm here to stop these shenanigans. This is some bullshit.
What do you want, asshole?
Lauren, is everything all right?
She's just swell. Now beat it, loser!
Oh, hell no.
You again? If you're looking for trouble, you found it. I'm gonna beat the shit out of you. Oh!
Yeah? Oh shit. Okay, well it worked a little bit, but not this time. Okay. He's doing pretty good so far. He's definitely got some practice. Oh my god, no. Okay. We can do this. Come on. We're Private Eye. Excuse me. The cops are already here. Come on. Oh shit. Ow. Come on. He punched the microwave. Oh shit. Damn. Oh. Come on. Fuck. No. We're good. Come on. There. Come on. Go. Don't break that glass though. That's a lot of fucking too much bullshit. Come on. That's a wall. Fuck. Come on. There you go.
I'll see you again, asshole.
Are you alright?
Better than him, I guess. Who is he?
An ex-client who thinks he owns me. He was getting violent and I told him I didn't want to see him anymore.
Well, you should be careful. He'll probably be back. Sorry about the mess.
Mr. Shelby,
Yeah.
thanks.
My hero. Yeah. What?